Title: The Moon and the Stars Plot Overview. In a peaceful village nestled between tall mountains and a sparkling lake, a group of kids and their animal friends discover a secret. The moon and the stars are alive, and they need help. Every night, the moon and the stars dance in the sky, bringing light and dreams to all living creatures. But one evening, the moon stops glowing, and the stars begin to fade. The kids and their animal companions must journey to the night sky kingdom to find out what's wrong and restore the light. Main characters: 1. Leela, a curious and brave little girl who loves to stargaze. She has a special connection with the moon, often dreaming of its magical glow. 2. Max, Leela's little brother, full of energy and wonder. He believes that every star in the sky has its own story. 3. Ollie the owl, a wise, gentle owl who knows all the secrets of the night. He can speak to the stars and guide the kids on their journey. 4. Nibbles the bunny, a playful and adventurous rabbit who loves hopping through meadows under the moonlight. He's always ready to cheer everyone up with his funny antics. 5. Spark the firefly, a tiny firefly with a big heart. Spark has the ability to communicate with the stars by lighting up in different patterns. The story: one evening, as Leela and Max sit by their favorite tree, they notice that the moon looks dim, and the stars are not twinkling as brightly as usual. Ollie the owl swoops down and tells them something is wrong in the night sky kingdom, where the moon and the stars live. The moon, usually happy and glowing, has stopped shining because it lost its moon crystal, the magical stone that gives it power. The stars are fading because they depend on the moon's light to sparkle. Without the moon crystal, the night sky will remain dark forever. Leela, Max, and their animal friends, Ollie, Nibbles, and Spark, decide to help. They embark on a magical adventure to the night sky kingdom, where they meet various celestial creatures like shooting stars, starry cats, and comet foxes. Together, they must solve riddles, face fun challenges, and find the moon crystal, hidden in a glowing cave guarded by a mischievous cloud named Wispy. Along the way, they learn about friendship, teamwork, and how every star, no matter how small, shines its own light. They must also show the moon that it's not just the crystal that makes it special, it's the love and light shared with others that truly makes it glow. Key scenes: 1. The first clue as they start their journey, Spark the firefly lights up a secret message from the stars, leading the kids to the starry woods, where they must find a hidden moonbeam. 2. The star bridge: the group encounters a broken bridge made of stardust. Max, Nibbles, and Ollie must use their creativity and teamwork to rebuild it using fallen stars. 3. The mischievous cloud in the glowing caves: Wispy the cloud playfully hides the moon crystal, creating a fun game of hide and seek. Leela uses her cleverness and Spark's light to outsmart Wispy and retrieve the crystal. 4. The grand moonlight dance: once the moon crystal is restored, the moon invites all the stars, animals, and kids for a magical moonlight dance, celebrating the return of the night sky's beauty. Themes: the importance of friendship and working together, finding inner light and sharing joy with others, overcoming challenges with creativity and fun, the beauty and magic of the night sky.